Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting new product to talk to you about, the new global version Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active. This smart band is packed with features that make it an essential gadget for anyone who is serious about their health and fitness. Let's talk about the display first. The 1.47 LCD display is crystal clear, with a resolution of 172x320 and 247 ppi, making it easy to read even in bright sunlight. The 16-bit color depth and screen brightness of up to 500 nit ensure that you won't miss a thing, no matter where you are. Any of the standout features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active is its water resistance. With a rating of 5 ATM, you can take this smart band with you on all of your adventures, whether you're swimming, surfing, or just caught in a sudden rain shower. But that's not all. This smart band is also equipped with a heart rate monitor and supports over 50 different sport modes, so you can track your workouts and stay on top of your fitness goals. And with a standby time of 14 days and a quick 2-hour charging time, you'll never have to worry about missing out on important data. The package comes with everything you need to get started, including the smart band, wrist strap, user guide, and charging cable. And the best part? It's all packaged in a sleek, lightweight design that weighs just 26.4 grams, including the strap. So if you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, be sure to check out the new global version Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your health and well-being. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.